Hi guys, this is lesson 6.5. Add and subtract mixed numbers with like denominators. In our first example, we have 4/5 plus 3/5. So literally, we'll say each of these is 1/5. So 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, and I'm adding 3 more. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So all together, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7/5. But this is an improper fraction because the number on top, the numerator, is bigger than my denominator. So I need to create a mixed number. So when I'm looking at fifths, I know that 5/5 are 1 whole. So I'm going to put a box around 5/5, and that is 1 whole. And then I have 2/5 left over here. So my mixed number would be 1 whole and 2/5. Here I am adding mixed numbers. I have 1 and 2/5 plus 3 and 4/5. First, I'm going to add the fractions. They both have the same denominator, fifths. So if I have 2/5 and I'm adding 4/5, 2 plus 4, I would have 6/5. But again, this is an improper fraction. My numerator is bigger than my denominator. If I have 6/5, it would look something like this. I know that 5/5 are 1 whole, and I have 1/5 left over. So 6/5 is really 1 whole and 1/5. But I'm not done because I haven't added my whole numbers. 1 plus 3 is, of course, 4, but then I still have this one right here. So 1 plus 3 plus 1 would be 5 wholes, and then I still have that 5th left over. 5 and 1/5. Now let's look at a subtraction. So I have 2 eighths. Eighths are going to be pretty skinny. And I'm taking away 5/8. Well, I can't take 2 from 5. So what I need to do is borrow. So I'm going to take 1 whole away. How many eighths are in 1 whole? Well, 8/8 equals 1 whole. So I'm going to add my 8/8. So now I have 10/8, and I'm subtracting 5/8. So I can just cross those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that leaves me with 5/8. All I have left to do is subtract my whole numbers. 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 and 5/8. Today, you learned how to add and subtract mixed numbers.